Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to get a new fast ZIVPN UDP server and set it up on the ZIVPN app for secure and high-speed browsing. By the end of this video, you'll have your own custom UDP configuration ready to enhance your internet experience with better performance and stability. Let's get started. First, we'll need an app called Custom UDP to create and manage our servers. So, open your Play Store and type Custom UDP in the search bar. Once you see the list of results, find the Custom UDP app and tap on it to open its page. Now, tap the Install button to begin the installation process. It may take a few minutes, so be patient while it installs. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. When you open Custom UDP, you'll land on the home screen. Here, the servers may load automatically, but if they don't, simply tap the Update Servers button. Once the update is complete, you'll see all available servers and configurations listed on the screen. Scroll down or open the side menu and look for the ZIVPN UDP server section. Tap on it to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see a list of ZIVPN servers. Choose any server you want by tapping on it. You'll then see the server's detailed information such as the host, port, and credentials. Copy these details and save them safely in your notepad. Do not close the app yet. We'll use this information in the ZIVPN client next. Now it's time to set up ZIVPN. Open the Play Store again and search for ZIVPN. From the results, download and install the official ZIVPN app. Once it's installed, open it, and you'll be taken to the home screen. On the home screen, find the Connection Type section and check the box that says UDP Server. This enables the UDP settings that we'll configure next. Next, open the side menu and tap on UDP Tunneling. You'll now see input boxes for server address, port, username, and password. Enter the details of the ZIVPN UDP server that you copied earlier from Custom UDP. Double-check to make sure all information is correct, then tap Save. Once everything is set up, go back to the home screen and press the Start button to connect the VPN. You can now monitor the connection logs to ensure everything is working properly. If the logs show a successful connection, congratulations! Your ZIVPN UDP setup is complete. You're now connected to a fast and secure browsing network. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.